So here's how you can allow camera access on the YouTube on your iPad. Let's get started, and if this is your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, the YouTube app on the iPad can be used to capture shorts or different stuff right through the camera. So if you haven't done that before, just open up the YouTube app and go to the creation mode and just tap on the camera option so you can actually start recording. And for the first time, it's going to ask you if you want to allow the camera access or not. So you can pick allow or don't allow, but even if you change your mind later, you can always find it inside of these settings when you proceed to the apps section at the bottom. And from the list, you can find the YouTube app. It's going to be somewhere closer to the bottom because it's all sorted alphabetically, but you can find it as such. And if you have tried to use camera before, you'll see the camera toggle in here. So you can always decide if you want to enable it or not allow it. And then that's basically the whole point behind it, right? So if you want to make sure it works, make sure it's turned on. And every time you come back to the YouTube app, you'll be able to use the camera access. So you can of course change the settings for the microphone and the photos and videos access. It is all part of this menu within the settings app. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well. Stay tuned so you don't miss it, and I'll see you then.